Hey man, how's it going?
Pretty good. What's up?
What are your plans for today, mate?
I'm just going to do some work in the garage, work on the race car for a bit.
Oh yeah? I've got something to show you.
Not really.
It's exciting.
Oh yeah, well, pop on over.
Sweet, I'll be around shortly.
Awesome. Look forward to seeing what it is.
Sounds good. See you soon, mate.
Alright, see ya. Bye.
Andy,
Hey man.
look what's out.
No way. It's out already.
Let's have a look.
Oh, that is so cool. Wow. So we're gonna have we talk about how this all came about?
I think so. I think we need to go back in time and show what actually happened.
This weather is best, eh? Like the sun,
How you feeling?
wet and cold. Yeah, we just thought we'd come out and play in the rain. There were shots by Jack.
How's it going, guys?
Hey,
Awesome to be here.
yeah, thank you for coming out into this weather and playing with us.
No worries at all.
Yeah.
It's an awesome opportunity. Your car is so amazing, so I'll probably be the first person to actually get to shoot it.
Awesome. Yeah, man, you definitely are, and probably one of the few. Very picky.
Yeah,
It's got to be the best.
That first last minute shoot definitely set the tone.
Yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's how we met, by just doing a photo shoot of some of the other AEs.
I mean, you guys saw that photo shoot come out, and oh my god, it was probably one of the best shoots I've ever seen, eh? Just like that gloomy sort of weather, and then the car just positioned there, it was just a perfect balance. I loved it, eh?
Yeah, we had to redo it for this one as well. We had to replicate it.
Yeah.
Came out to the same spot. A little bit of a different vibe. It's a little bit brighter, so a bit nicer. But
We'll do a few shoots throughout the evening, and then it'll get a bit darker, and we'll just see how the light's changing and working for us.
yeah, exactly. So we can kind of do everything. We've got a bit of time on our hands, so
Yeah, it'd be good. So this particular shoot, we're actually going to do this so that Jack can feature it in the Performance Car magazine. So it's pretty exciting. It's definitely been a bit of a dream of mine since being a kid and reading these magazines. I never thought it'd actually come true. So I'm actually honoured that I've had this opportunity, and Jack's going to make it happen.
Yeah, not many people get the opportunity to be in Performance Car magazine, and we're glad we got one of the best in Christchurch and probably one of the best in New Zealand to shoot it for us.
yeah, appreciate that. Yeah, it's definitely a cool opportunity. I'm super glad to make it happen, to be honest. I think it's the perfect car for the magazine.
Thank you. And yeah, thanks again for making this happen.
No worries at all.
We've got the professional and the rookie for its Instagram.
Yeah, I'm definitely no photographer, but you know, we're going to make some content.
Using your iPad, mate?
Yeah, it's a long story.
And this is why I do all the filming and photography. That's not how you use a tripod, mate.
Isn't it? I'm pretty sure it is.
I don't know. You wouldn't believe it, guys. Well, Andy just parked his car right there, and there's a bloody rainbow.
How good is that? It's so good. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to see how these photos come out. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit excited. Oh, here we go. How good.
Oh, that's gonna look sick.
Yeah, it's gone now already.
You got that perfect, mate.
Wow. There you have it. Officially made it into Performance Car magazine.
That's not bad, isn't it?
That's pretty good going.
As a JDM icon too.
Oh, that's a good title. Oh, I can't wait to have a read of this. Oh, the pictures look so good.
Jack's done an amazing job with the photos.
Heck yeah, I mean, look how authentic this looks. It looks like I'm in Japan. Wow. I like all those close-up photos. It makes the interior, it brings the interior from, say, the 90s into the 2000s. You know, it just looks so clean. Wow.
Must say the interior is missing needs a new photo now.
Yeah. Well, I wonder if it says in here. I remember when I did the write-up for this quite a few months ago, it asked about what sort of mods you're going to continue to do.
Yeah.
And one of them was, I'd have to find it, is a fuel pump upgrade, which I've now done. We just haven't put it in. Haltech IC7 dash, which we did last week.
Yep.
So we've done that. And possibly might say injectors and then a retune one day to see if we can get some more power. So we're on track.
That's pretty good.
For doing a list of dream items still. That's cool.
So a couple more things just to tick off and dream car's done.
Yeah.
Good. We've got another one.
Yeah.
We've got another one to build.
Is it ever done? But it'll be mostly done.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll be just maintenance from then onwards. Wow. There's a fair few pages of this.
I was
This is
surprised.
awesome. What's that? 7 pages. That is a good spread. Wow. Man, I just couldn't be more proud to be in this magazine.
It is amazing. Just making it into performance cards. It's like a goal of ours from pretty much being a kid. Like you'd grow up and read these magazines, be like, oh, I want to be in there one day.
Yeah, definitely. And when I first, the whole time I built this car, it was never intended to go into New Zealand's biggest car magazine.
Exactly.
Like it was just build it because I want to build it.
Yeah.
You know, and when I got asked about it, and then I was told if it's as cool as I've said it is, that this could be in the magazine, I was like, really?
Exactly.
And yeah, it actually happened.
Well, the cool thing is that you basically built your car in this garage here.
Yeah. 99.9% of it was built in this garage.
What was the 0.1%?
Tuning. Didn't do that in the garage. No, I don't have the dyno machine. Yeah.
Upgrades coming near you.
Yeah. Wow, that is cool.
Sweet, and that wraps up this evening. Big shout out to Shots by Jack for helping us out today.
Yeah,
worries at
thank
all.
you. And be
That's
sure to
been fun.
jump over to Shots by Jack's Instagram and have a look for his page. Follow it. You might even see a few cameos of my AEs in there amongst some awesome work. And I definitely highly recommend following him. And if you have a car in Christchurch and you want some good photos taken, this is your man.
Appreciate it. Yeah, it was great fun and an awesome opportunity to be able to shoot this car. Like, you know, out of everyone in Christchurch, there is, even New Zealand, there is like nothing like this. It is totally unique and it's absolutely insane to be able to feature it in such a high quality and amazing magazine. So
Oh, and
it's been
thank
awesome.
you.
No
Yeah,
worries at all.
we really appreciate it. It's made for a good evening.
Yeah, absolutely.
And, I think now it's time for us to go and get some food.
Yeah. So that'll wrap it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you want to see more of this. I'm sure we'll get Jack back on the channel for something shortly.
Absolutely.
Sweet as. Peace out.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.